into a smoke-filled room. No one could keep their eyes off you. Every little drink or two.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Jules
and Saud,
and today we are going to be making food out of slime. So we saw a couple other people do this and it just inspired us to make some stuff, and slime is a huge thing right now. So
alright, let's
get started.
Alright, so the first thing that we're gonna do is the easiest, and quick story on this. So last night we prepared all of our stuff. We got our clay for the first one that we're gonna do,
which is cereal,
and we wanted to make the little Fruit Loops a little hard, you know. We put it in the oven. Roll that tape right here, okay?
Yeah. So for our Fruit Loops we were making, it's bakeable clay, and on YouTube we saw other people put it in the oven. This is what happened when we put it in the oven. But why did the blue ones all survive?
Okay, so that's what happened. I guess, I really don't know.
We thought that we had like clay that you bake, like you put in the oven to get hard, so the Fruit Loops, the clay Fruit Loops would be hard like the real cereal.
But it didn't work.
But as you can see, they all just melted. Yeah,
except the blue ones.
Except the blue. Right. So right now we're going to make our milk for our cereal. You need a good amount because it's milk, so keep going, keep going, keep going. Stop. So now we're going to add some contact solution, because we don't use borax, because kids and anybody, adults, anyone who makes slime, guys, borax is not good for you.
No bueno.
Please find an alternative to making slime if it involves using borax.
Yes. This needs more, girl.
I'll add. You keep mixing.
I got it, boo-boo. I'm a handy man.
Okay, okay, okay. You don't want to add too much.
Were we supposed to do the
I'm going
foam?
to add. We'll add that in there too.
What? You have this stuff? We were watching YouTube videos last night on like how to make this.
I'm adding 2 pumps of hand soap.
Okay, first off, the lid's still on that one, honey.
All right, you do it. Just don't make them mix, 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 mix.
The heck? Yo, slime is so hard to make. Shout out to the people that are on Instagram making slime.
Shout out to the slime gods,
yes,
because we are not.
Okay, it's kinda. Yeah.
Oh,
you seen that?
Oh. Okay, so now that we have our milk slime, we are going to add in our fruit.
Wait, did you see that? It's like a wave.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so plop them in.
Plop in our Fruit Loops.
Maybe a few. There we go. Would you eat this?
Well,
if it was
pretty.
Real. If it was real.
If it was real, yeah.
Okay, so if you're wondering how we made these, by the way, honestly, I used a straw for the smaller hole, and to make it actually round, we used like a cookie, not a cookie cutter.
It's like the thing that you push the icing out of, the icing tip.
Yeah, that's what we used. We need more green in here, boo-boo.
The only thing that sucks is since we didn't get to bake them, they're kind of sticking together.
Yeah.
So if you can bake yours,
please do.
I suggest baking yours.
Yeah, definitely. Just
like that, voila. You have Fruit Loops cereal.
Oh, that looks good.
As slime. All right, so we're gonna put our cereal off to the side, and we are going to move on to hot cocoa, hot chocolate. So for this, we're going to pull out our bowl. We are going to go on and put some whipped cream in there.
Whipped cream?
Yep, go on and do it.
This is whipped cream?
Oh, not whipped cream. It's gonna be whipped cream. We're gonna come on and put shaving cream in.
Tell me when.
Go. Okay. Good, 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 good.
Tell me when.
Go. We don't need too crazy much. Alright, that's good. So now we are going.
Also, if you see we don't really measure stuff out, you know.
Oh, I forgot. I almost forgot the contact solution.
Can we add some of this juicy melon?
Of course. Okay, that's good. That's good.
3 pumps. Actually, that's pretty good.
This is actually really good.
We could sell this. That's how good it is.
This is a lot better than the cereal.
Yeah, that took like hours.
Okay, so now that we have our slime, we are going to add some brown paint.
No, literally that's it. That's all you need. Wait, we should do it with our, no, you want to do it with your hands?
No, I don't want paint all over my hands.
Look at that, purple brown. Can I do it with my hands?
If you want to.
Yep.
Alright.
But, okay, give me that. Give me that chocolate. Drizzle it in there. Woo! Whoa! It looks like a dirty diaper, huh?
Oh my god.
Yes, yes. Chocolate scissor. More. More.
Oh.
That was ballsy, huh?
This is chocolatey.
Oh, that was ballsy! Alright, so the slime is still really sticky. I don't know what we're doing wrong, but I will say that I was gonna get cornstarch yesterday, but somebody stopped me from getting it.
Okay, because I saw all the slime gods not use
You're
it.
not a slime god. We cannot amount to what they do. Now give me that mug. Okay, so I'm gonna try. Oh my god. Don't, no, leave it down. There we go. Oh my god. Get that. Don't let it hit the lip. Don't let it hit the lip.
Okay, so besides the fact that Saud made a mess, this actually isn't that bad.
Here, wait, I'm gonna slide this in there too.
Okay, so now we are going to add the shaving cream as whipped cream. This whipped cream.
Can I do it? Can I do it? Can I do it? There you go. No.
Why is it doing that?
Sweetie, here, you open that up. Twist
Okay.
it. I got this.
Okay. Woo. All right, and there is our hot chocolate with whipped cream, and now we are going to add our chocolate sprinkles.
Once you open it.
If I can open this.
Oh yeah, that looks good. Honestly,
this looks amazing.
and you don't even like hot chocolate, so
No.
that's saying something.
All right, guys.
Cheers. Hey, you want some
Cheers.
chocolate drizzle? Okay, that's good.
All right, guys, and there is your extra chocolatey hot chocolate. All right, so now we are going to put this off to the side.
Here, I got it.
So the next thing we are going to make is the, what's it called? That frappuccino.
The unicorn?
Oh, we are going to make the unicorn frappuccino from Starbucks. We got our Starbucks cup. It even has my name on it. We got our frappuccino lid. And let's get started. So we never actually got to try the frappuccino, but we have an idea of what it looks like. And we are going to unicorn this up. That's enough.
I don't know if you guys can see it right now, but it's getting that blue, that cotton candy blue that I wanted.
All right, and I got my pink in.
Is that what it is?
What?
The unicorn? Is that what we're doing?
Yeah.
Okay, is it really blue and pink?
Yeah, it's really blue and pink.
Oh, I thought it was purple.
It might have purple in it, but we're making it blue
But
and
we're doing
pink.
blue. I'm just gonna...
Now we're gonna add shaving cream because it is a frappuccino, so we want it to be a little thicker. We don't want it to be slimy like this. So, add your desired amount of shaving cream. Saud is making a mess over there. Mix it. Ay!
See, look at the color starting to fade.
Cause you put too much shaving cream.
I knew it.
I didn't. Look at mine. Also, no one please come at us. We are not slime gods. I will say this a million times. Like, we don't make slime. This is like our first time. Okay, Saud. I'm gonna go in and put my pink in.
Well, you want to do like I do a little of mine?
Yeah, that's what it is gonna be.
You don't think so? You'll bug in. Get in there, buddy. It's okay.
Don't be scared.
Don't be scared. She's cute. The pink is cute.
Look, slime.
Look at that.
Wow.
Oh my god, I can't wait to poke it after. Wow, I should work at Starbucks.
Where's the straw?
I should work at Starbucks. That's what it's supposed to do. You ready?
Oh.
Wait, we're not done. We are not done. We are not done.
Oh, are we gonna add, babe, there's nowhere to add sprinkles. Okay, okay. You're just adding sprinkles to the table at this point. You should have added it.
Boom, boom. Guys, I wanna be on a slime account for this. Give me my props, give me my coin for this beautiful creation.
Honestly, this, ignore my hands.
It looks awesome.
It's beautiful.
It literally looks so good.
It looks so good.
Yeah.
The last thing we are going to make is a ice cream bowl. It is so messy. We clearly don't know how to make slime.
Excuse me? You. I am a slime guru now, so you're gonna add some of this. Just because you do. You know what that looks like? If you put chocolate on top of that, you know what that looks like? Mm-hmm. Remember when Patrick was in the Olympics?
Oh my god.
And he was that, the ice cream cone? Yeah. Oh, don't place it in if you don't want to get it out, because it's stuck in here now.
Alright. Well, this is my not so cute ice cream bowl.
Wait, I'm not done. This is cute. Mine is cute. I don't know what you're saying.
Yours just looks like a ball of mush.
Put it right on.
Let's be honest, what ice cream bowl looks beautiful? If you add sprinkles to anything, it looks great.
Wow, yours looks cute. Mine looks like a muffin top.
I told you, why'd you add that to it?
Well, you said if you add sprinkles, it gets pretty, so.
It does. But yours is literally. Okay. Oh my god, the waffle cone is breaking. Alright. This is my ice cream.
Oh my god, that's a good video right there. Boom. Alright, so oh no. Hear that crunch? Listen.
Listen mine.
We just found new Asmir.
Alright guys, well this was us making food out of slime. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe for more. And we will see you guys later.